Have you ever found yourself frustrated trying to declare a function in C++ without repeating the parameters? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use decltype to declare the entire function type itself without the hassle of typing parameters again. I totally get it. It can be really annoying to have to type out function parameters multiple times, especially when you just want to keep your code clean and efficient. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I declare a member function with the same signature as an existing function without typing the parameters again? They want to avoid macros and ensure compatibility with future compiler versions. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The user is trying to declare a member function that matches the signature of an existing function while also considering the hidden this pointer. They want to know if using decltype in this way is legal in C++ and won't break in future updates. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid common pitfalls when using decltype in your code. To begin addressing the user's question, we need to clarify that using decltype to declare a member function type is indeed a valid approach in C++. This allows the user to avoid repeating the function's signature. Next, the user can declare the member function inside the class using decltype. This will automatically match the signature of the existing function, including the parameters. Now, let's implement the member function outside the class. The user can define the function with the same name and parameters, ensuring it behaves as expected. Finally, the user can test the implementation by creating an instance of the class and calling the member function. This will confirm that everything works correctly. Fun fact, did you know that C++ has evolved significantly since its inception? Many features we take for granted today were once considered experimental. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. The user believes that using decltype to declare the function type is legal, but notes that you will need to retype the function definition. They suggest considering perfect forwarding as an alternative approach. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the documentation for your compiler version. This will help you stay informed about any changes that could affect your code. And there you have it. You now know how to use decltype to declare function types without repeating parameters. Remember, staying updated with compiler documentation is key to avoiding future issues. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips.